This is the Kershaw Gens Carabiner model 1150 TIX. This is the one that is gray and made with the titanium. There are some other colors of blue and black, but this one is the polished titanium with carbonitride coating. Okay, here you're going to have the cord cutter. You can see the blade there. Cord cutter, seatbelt cutter. This is the nice big clip opening so that you can easily slide this onto your belt, pocket, toolkit, any type thing that you can think of. So that way this little tool can go anywhere with you. It's going to have a bottle opener, hex drives of 0.125 inches, 0.1875 inches, and 0.25 inches. It is a non-load bearing. So made by Kershaw, this is the Gens Carabiner 1150 TIX.